Hi everyone, I am Koustubh Badshah and this is EasyMail, a Chrome extension powered entirely by Google Chrome's new built-in AI APIs like the Prompt API, Writer API, Summarizer API, the Writer API, Translator API, and Proofread API. It is designed to make writing and managing email effortless, intelligent, and fast, all without relying on any external servers or third-party APIs. To get started, simply download the project from GitHub and unload it in the Chrome extensions. To do so, you have to get in developer mode. Also, enable the experimental AI features like Writer API for Gemini Nano, the Writer API for Gemini Nano, Proofreader API for Gemini Nano, and Prompt API for Gemini Nano multimodal input for using this EasyMail extension. After you enable this, please restart the browser so that you can use this. This is a sample email for which we will use EasyMail. You can open any mail and it will automatically detect the contents from the email. You can choose to summarize long emails, generate replies using the Writer API, translate emails with the Translator API, rewrite for better tone and clarity, or proofread to fix grammar and style using Proofread API. As you can see here, there is a response which is well formatted and gives us all things in the email in key points and in a textual format. If I choose to reply, so I will click on reply and it will generate me a reply for my email. So behind the scene, it processes the reply as a whole instead of chunks, and we got a very pretty smooth API response in a professional manner for our email. We can copy it and reply for our email. If we are not satisfied with our reply, we can click improve and use the rewriter API for generating a new response for our email. And we have got a new response here and we can see if it is good or not. We can also use here text messaging for using a prompt API for asking anything else about this. Like give me the main, like we will ask for date of the meeting. So the all our conversations are in a history mode so that all our previous 100 conversations are stored in our browser locally so we can get them and respond to user queries. So as you can see, we have got a response of our things from the email. Now, if there are any grammatical error or any problem in our email, so we can use the Proofread API and it will detect any problems in our email. Everything runs locally through Chrome's AI model, so your data stays secure and private. As you can see here, we have got a proofread of correcting all the mistakes we made here intentionally and correcting them and any word losses. Also, we can use clear history to remove any previous conversation context. Now, as there can be emails in other languages also, so I have a sample email in Hindi which we will translate and provide us in English. As we can see here, we have got a translated version of this in English format. We can also use the Summarizer API to generate an English text summary of any language email in English. It gives us a mixed language response for easy understanding for human beings. So, EasyMail is about rethinking productivity, showing how Chrome's built-in AI can make our daily communication smoother and smarter. all within your browser. I'm Koustubh Badshah, and this was my submission for Google Chrome Built-in AI Challenge 2025. Thanks for watching.